Hey everyone, welcome to Darpan Xpert Talk. Women are making great strides in many different professions. I've got with me a boss lady who's in a leadership role. She's an executive, a talented powerhouse, and a lot more. She is the CEO of Excel Career College. Let's say hello to my guest, Bisman Arora. Hi, Bisman. How are you?
Hi, Ish. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
So tell me a little bit about yourself before we get all the good, juicy information on Excel Career College. Yeah, tell me a little bit about yourself.
My name is Bisman Arora, and I'm the CEO of Excel Career College. I have a Bachelor of Arts major in criminology, and I transitioned into the educational sector a little over a year ago, and I have been a businesswoman for a few years now.
That's incredible. Now, when we talk about Excel Career College, tell me a little bit about the group of companies that holds Excel Career College.
So the Aurora Group of companies was established 25 years ago with my dad after Aurora. He is the CEO of Aurora Immigration, and the Aurora Group of companies aimed to provide a holistic approach and a holistic service to individuals. We understand that, for most of us, moving to a different city is challenging, right? Think about all the people that move to Canada every single day. So we understand the mindset, the whole, why that decision is so challenging. So with Aurora Immigration and Pro Recruitment and Excel Career College, some move to the country for better education. Some move here for better work opportunities, right? So Pro Recruitment and Aurora Immigration work hand in hand to help facilitate a work pathway, while Excel Career College works with students to facilitate an educational pathway. So that's a little bit about the Aurora Group of companies. And we acquired Excel a little over a year ago, almost a year ago actually. And I think with adding Excel, the loop has now been completed.
Closed, okay. I see, very interesting. So how did you get started at Excel Career College?
So when the opportunity presented itself, like I said, understood the whole, I had, in the back of my mind, I had a idea, or I knew our vision. I knew that the loop had to close. So when it presented itself, I looked at the history. The Excel has been in the industry for 30 years, over 30 years. And I right away acknowledged and I understood that this is what I needed to, make it holistic, to make a whole, our service whole. So that's how I got into Excel.
With that said, what's unique to your particular organization, Excel Career College?
What's unique to Excel is, I think, our ability to provide customized and unique programs. So we have programs that provide students access to skills that they need to reach their goals.
How is the job market for graduates once they're out there? What are you seeing?
COVID has taught us to identify what kind of skills we're looking for in an employee. The hardest decision after COVID is now, how do you retain the right employee, right? So that, I think employers are really understanding that. So yes, the job market is booming. Our students are getting placed. I am really proud to say that 100% of our healthcare assistant graduates are placed immediately after graduation. And 99% of our graduates from our other programs are placed immediately after graduation as well.
No, that's definitely very encouraging. With that said, I know you guys have a couple of campuses. I know it's very exciting times for you. You've got a new campus coming up in Surrey in the spring of 2023. So tell me a little bit about that. What do you guys hope to do with this particular campus?
So Surrey, our decision to come to Surrey has been long in the queue. The right opportunity, I think, presented itself a few months ago. So again, it was a very quick decision for me. Surrey is a booming market.
Yes.
UBC is coming to Surrey. A lot of other big employers are actually now leaving major metropolitan cities and coming to Surrey, which is also now becoming a major city. I think that decision is, we were able to identify that the amount of jobs that are going to be available in Surrey over the next years, and we wanted to bring our services here.
No, that's great. So yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to seeing the campus of Excel Career College once it's here next year. And if people wanted more information, where can they go?
They can go to our website, excelcareercollege.com, or our Instagram, which is Excel Career College, or they can simply pick up the phone and call any of our campuses, and our employees and my team is very helpful in answering any of your questions.
All right, well, truly appreciate you taking the time. Excel is definitely an institution that you want to check out as a prospect student. Bisman Arora, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us. We truly appreciated it.
Thank you, Ish, for speaking with me today. Thank you.